Good morning, everybody. So it's 9:02 in the morning. Um, so literally it's blizzard outside, and I've already made like $30 with my hustle, and I've done like two trips, and I have another grocery delivery from Walmart that I have scheduled it for 10:45. So it's gonna be a while before I have to do that, but I just wanna sight what it looks like. It's like a literal blizzard. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have two or three delivery actually it is, but shouldn't be hard because I don't have to shop. I just gotta like pick it up, and I'm not planning on staying outside for too long because it's too cold. I don't want to be outside.